Start.
Okay, thank you very much. I want to tell you something about as you asked me like about Pakistan, and Pakistan is a good country. In fact, so I know personally that they were established in 1947, and then there is a lot of history and there is a lot of culture. And I know most of my friends are from Pakistan in my university there. So I spend a lot of time with a lot of interaction between the people's interaction. It is most important way, and that is a good way to establish a good relationship of my Pakistani friends. And most of the time that I will be one of the most good person for them, so that they will. I know, for example, like cricket. You know, the cricket is one of the most famous Pakistani relation. I mean, they play football, so it's a good way for interact with many people's many ideas. Therefore, and also without cricket, Pakistani students are very good. They are very more enthusiastic, and in terms of education from US, Europe, Canada, in Saudi Arabia, and everywhere that Pakistani students are very good. They perform very well. So I'm very glad to know Pakistan student, and then in my classmate also, they have a lot of Pakistanis. They have very good research centers, especially their private research institutes are very good. At least they have encouraged more students to be involved on the research. Thank you.
I invite you come Pakistan.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Inshallah.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, inshallah, I will come to Pakistan because it's. I know that personally, there's a direct flight between my country and Islamabad. So hopefully, I have my brother study there in Pakistan, like Quad Azam something university. There is a famous university in Pakistan. He was study there, and then he invited me to come. And hopefully, I will not make a promise, but inshallah, I will come there and to know more about the country. Inshallah. Thank you.